A tiny house with a Japanese style concept that also maximizes the semi-outdoor space at the entrance. This tiny house is suitable for residents who tend to spend more time outdoors but still want to be protected from the weather. The semi-outdoor terrace area of this tiny house also has space for bonsai plants, representing the Japanese style landscape concept. The interior of the tiny house is compactly arranged with communal space arrangement in one room. There is a minibar table and chairs that not only function as a dining area but also as a divider between the services area and the communal space. The loft bed is located above the bathroom of this tiny house.